Hi there, welcome to our channel. I am Guru, and today, we're diving deep into the world of prompt engineering with ChatGPT. If you're excited to learn how to craft prompts that generate amazing responses, you're in the right place. Alright, let's start at the beginning. In this beginner-level content, we'll kick things off by understanding the basics of ChatGPT and how it works its magic to generate responses based on the prompts we give. We'll demystify the technical jargon and break down what ChatGPT actually is. It's not just a magic text generator, it's a language model that's been trained on tons of text from the internet. You'll discover how ChatGPT's training helps it understand grammar, context, and even generate text that sounds human-like. Moving on to our second point, we're going to discuss the art of having a clear intent when crafting prompts. This is where the magic begins, folks. To get the responses we want, we start with crystal clear prompts. We're talking about those straightforward questions or statements that leave no room for confusion. Ready for the secret sauce? Thirdly, we'll explore the power of a system message and providing context in your conversations with ChatGPT. A system message? It's like setting the tone of the conversation. We gently guide ChatGPT with a warm, hello, that shapes its behavior. And lastly, context. Well, that's your way of saying, hey, here's what I mean. By sharing examples and background info, we help ChatGPT understand our goals. Are you as excited as I am to master prompt engineering with ChatGPT? Smash that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and get ready for more mind-blowing content. Like this video if you're all about leveling up your prompt game. Congratulations, you've just taken your first steps into the fascinating world of prompt engineering. Remember, the way you frame your prompts can truly unlock ChatGPT's potential. Stay curious, keep experimenting, and get ready to craft conversations that amaze. This is Guru, signing off till our next prompt perfect adventure.